Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have Henry with me.
Hello.
And we're going to be playing Jenga with a giant tower of
Not ready.
magnet tiles. We're just building it, in the middle of building it, so almost building it. Oh, Henry. Really, Henry?
At least I caught it.
This
Or
just
else our
fell.
entire tower would fall.
Okay guys, so we're just going to keep building it until we don't have any more. So, do that. Okay, what are you doing?
I'm fixing
Is there one in there? Okay, good. We're gonna get big, guys. Not ready for those yet. Give me that one.
Well, when you are, I have all of them ready. Alright, now we shall build Floppy.
Flapper.
Flopper.
Oh, one right here. Real one right here.
Uh-oh.
Can we sit up? Let's see if you're sitting on any.
Flopper. I know I'm not.
Let's do this. Here, let's make a little field around it. I wonder what happens if we did that. Let's do that. Nah, I don't know. Okay. Okay. And got this.
Oh, we're so lucky.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, dang. Fall, tower, fall.
No, we're not making it fall yet.
Protection field.
Henry. Okay. Henry, sit up.
Wait.
Oh, you are sitting on one. You was sitting on one, guys.
Protection. Oh, guys!
Oh, I just found one in there.
Might have a problem.
These are triangles.
Slide, come on. There.
Okay, let's just stand there.
We have more.
No, we're gonna. No, Henry, don't do that. Just making a little protection field. You can't have. Okay, guys. So.
Alright, ready? 3.
No.
This will be the final one.
What do you mean?
Okay, drop something onto it now.
No, Henry. We're doing Jenga.
Oh, we're doing Jenga.
I told you.
Okay, ready? Can I go first?
Yeah, I gotta set it up. Okay, well, there.
Wait, that one.
Okay, he just got one.
Alright, wait.
No, you don't put it at the top. Okay, we don't play it.
That's how you play Jenga, by the way.
Got it.
Also, Ryan, by the way, that's how you play Jenga.
I know how to play Jenga. Okay, now take another one.
Let's teach all you guys at home how to play Jenga.
Yeah, I don't think they need to be taught.
I don't think you
Okay.
need to be taught.
You just got that one. Oh, double. And that's mine right there. That's just
Did
my
I-
mom in the background. No.
Oh, dude.
Yikes, and put in that back. Okay, that was close. That was close.
It's still leaning.
Oh my god, I almost just kicked it.
Fixed it.
Oh!
Yeah!
That was such a short video. Oh, okay.
The tower has magically rebuilt itself.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was a very short video, I know that. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on another video. Bye. I'm just saying, magnet tiles with Jenga with magnet tiles, I mean, is very hard. I want to see that.
Hello.
Hi.
Wait, no, do green.
Okay,
Do green.
so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on another video. Bye.